An extraordinary medical student, a steadfast community advocate, and the person colleagues turn to if they need help. Those are just some of the words used to describe Matthew Van de Graaff, a fourth-year student at EVMS in Norfolk. Matt has spent much of his spare time at Clinica Esperanza, the bilingual student-run free clinic for uninsured Spanish-speaking immigrant families. It was there Matt created the Medicaid enrollment team, which helps to enroll eligible patients in Medicaid.
And so the conclusion we came to is that a lot of these patients we were enrolling were finding sustainable care elsewhere. And I know this because I would call them. It was my job to call them and do follow-up and see if they've had appointments with new primary care doctors. And so I guess if this initiative hadn't been carried out, a lot of those patients just probably would not have been enrolled in insurance. They face a lot of barriers to enrolling, and I think we were able to kind of identify those barriers for them so that they could overcome them and help them through that process.
One of the other things Matt is passionate about is advocacy at both the state and national levels. He is an active, recognized student leader in the American Medical Association, the American Academy of Pediatrics, and the Medical Society of Virginia, and he is deeply committed to advocating for policy change that protects the most at-risk communities.
We can advocate for our patient in the clinic and advocate that they get the best price on prescriptions or have the easiest access to care. But at a larger level, advocating at the state legislature, advocating for policy change is how you can impact, thousands of patients at the same time.
Matt is excited for graduation in the spring and is busy applying for his pediatric residency.
To me, the parts of medicine that I really enjoy are thinking about the gratification that I feel and the smile on your patient's face when you help diagnose them or help them, just figure out how they're going to get vaccines if they're a kid or how they're going to get access to their insulin medications.
Matthew Van de Graaff, 2021 Salute to Service Award winner for service by a student or resident.